YouTube has the feature that expose your locations. So today I wanna create this quick video to show you exactly how to turn off this feature and how to keep you safe from exposing your locations. And want to let you know what you need to do to turn off this feature. Now, just as a heads up, this feature is automatically turned on by the YouTube and it's in the hidden area. If you don't turn it off while posting your video, this will be turned on all the time by YouTube automatically. And this YouTube feature is called Allow Automatic Places. What it does that you are in the location or you happen to mention that location into your YouTube video, then YouTube can link it down in the video. The way it works against you, let's say you are the one you want to keep your location private and you don't want anybody else know about your location, or you don't want that people will know your area, your city, or your state, then you are the one who have to turn this feature off while posting any videos to YouTube. So let's go ahead and see this feature live on YouTube. On YouTube, let me first show you if you wanna upload the new video to YouTube. Let's select this video and find the video. I wanna navigate to the video, and here for this example, let's pick up any of the video. All right. So once you try to upload the video, you will fill all these details like title, description, thumbnails, playlist, all other options. Then you have to navigate to the show more option. Once you expand the show more option, please scroll down, and here you will find the option allow automatic places that is selected by default. Alright, so you have to come here and you have to uncheck this option while posting your videos. So let's see how we can do it for the videos that are already posted on the YouTube. Let's close this. Let's say I don't want to upload this video. I want to go to any other video, and here I want this option to be unchecked. Again, scroll down, expand the show more option, scroll more down, and here you will see the option allow automatic places. And you can see here that this help viewers explore key places in your video. These are public places like restaurants and shops. We don't display your current location or other private info. I wanna uncheck this option. I don't want anyone knows about my location. Let's go ahead and save this. So that's it about today quick and simple and to the point tutorial where we have seen that how we can increase our privacy on YouTube. You can turn this option off if you care about your privacy, or if you want you can leave this option as default to stay turned on. That's it about today quality and to the point tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.